Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update property title transfers with Transact Title step by step clearly. To begin, access the Transact Title website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Property Title Transfers section on the home page. Select the option for Update Property Title Transfer. You will see a form that needs to be filled out. Input the current owner's details in the designated fields. Next, enter the new owner's information accurately. Make sure to include any co-owners if applicable. Review the property details to confirm everything is correct. If there are any encumbrances, ensure to list them in the specified area. Upload any required documents supporting the title transfer. Double-check all entries to prevent errors. Once you are satisfied with the information, proceed to submit the form. You will receive a confirmation notice upon successful submission. Monitor your email for updates on the status of the transfer. If further action is needed, follow the instructions provided in the email. After processing, you will receive the updated property title via email or postal service. Keep a copy of the confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Transact Title support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.